My friends, it is finally here. Oh, that one's empty. The solution to the ultimate in first world problems. How to store your racks upon racks of headphones in such a way that you will be easily able to pick out exactly the one you want for exactly the genre of music that you are in the mood to listen to. And we are taking it a step further. So we're gonna convert an ordinary corner of the office into the ultimate headphone auditioning room. And I'll be doing it with the help of my wife and my infant daughter today. Can you help? Okay, so before we get started, Yvonne's unpacking the whack ton of these EBA02s that we have. I feel like this product deserves a little bit of history because this is not your everyday headphone holder. I mean, yes, it holds headphones, but it's special. I had a problem. I was trying to get all my headphones off my desk and up onto the wall so they could be more organized and like look really cool and not take up so much space. So we announced a contest in partnership with Silverstone where members of our community submitted their 3D model designs. My Mini Factory printed for us free of charge. Those guys are super cool. All of the top designs and then sent them to us to evaluate in person which ones we thought was best. So Matthew Vidal ended up having the best balance between something that looked really clean and professional and something that could actually be manufactured. So the way it mounts is you kind of throw it on the wall, a little something like that. You throw this on a little something like that. Okay, I'm doing this wrong. Why don't we just get started then? iBuyPower and MSI's new lineup of gaming laptops feature Intel 7th generation Core i7 processors. Check them out at the link below. So the idea is that whatever cell phone or computer or whatever device someone brings in here, they would be able to plug it in to the amp and DAC of their choice and plug in the headphones of their choice for the most custom possible listening experience. So, wow, this thing is really crappy.
Well, there's two.
Like, where do you even buy furniture this crappy? That's fantastic. I love their packing list. One cheap bag. Got it. Yes, it's pronounced exactly like you think. This is the Valhalla 2. So I'm not actually sure which tubes go where, but holy cow, look at that build. Shoot, I'm losing track of which adapters go with what. This one's 16, okay. That's okay, everything's labeled. Here's the other big dog. This is the Jotunheim. In Norse mythology, it's the land of the giants. So maybe this should just be a storage shelf then. So it's 5, 4, and 5, which means this is actually gonna take up like a whack ton of space, like almost the whole wall. So why don't we lay them out on the floor? Okay, so that's pretty much the spacing that we need then. How high do you think you could realistically go before it becomes a problem? Hey Taryn, can I borrow you for a minute? I love his enthusiasm.
So you gotta just prototype.
Well, I can reach higher than that.
Well, how high can you reach?
I can reach to here.
Okay.
Does that seem too horizontally spaced out? No, I'm saying if I don't compress them more, we're gonna be watching with it letterboxed. I'll use video terminology.
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
So we don't want black bars, right? So they're still 60 high, but they're less wide. So it's letterboxed and has black bars.
Please don't use analogies. Yes, compress them together.
Okay, great. So we won't compress them. So mark your 13-inch spot. So the first thing I need to do is draw a level line. Yeah, you can hold the level. Actually, I can probably just use gravity. No, I can't easily. Oh, yes, I can. No, I can use gravity. I'll use gravity. No, it's fine. Oh, wait, that's not gonna, look how bent it is. No, I don't have the mark.
You know what, I'm gonna hold the level.
No, put the, I need to draw a line along the ruler. So ruler on the mark, and then the level needs to be level.
It's on the mark, it's not leveled.
Okay, I'm just gonna draw a light line. Does this even erase? Have we checked? We shouldn't have all of these all over the table. It's like level-ish.
What do you mean it's level-ish?
it's level-ish.
You had a level. You are so talkative. You must get it from Daddy.
Actually, we need to do the whole grid. So Brandon, you might as well cut for a few minutes here. So day 2 of a task that we really thought would be finished a lot sooner than, we have to take these off because otherwise we're gonna see them from the bottom. They're just gonna have these ugly barcodes on them.
I don't think that's the end of the world.
Yeah, that looks stupid.
No one's gonna be like that looking at the barcode.
Well, you don't have to be. I mean, look, you will obviously see it. So the way it goes together is actually pretty simple. You just kind of pop these guides in here.
Whoa, and you don't do that.
It's only stripped a little. Okay. So 5 down, 13 to go.
Hey, honey, are you microwaving your shoes? Are you gonna open it?
But it's not ready.
It's not ready? Oh, okay. Are you giving her a power tool?
No, I'm not giving her a power tool. I'm helping her operate a power tool. Can you press that button? Oh! Look, you put the screw in.
Did you put it in your mouth?
Those are screws. Should I hold them in my hand? Would that work better?
Yeah.
Okay, so we marked out our entire grid in pencil. We're just gonna go ham and put drywall screws straight into the wall. So basically 3 screws, then we slide that onto there. And look at that, it's like it's professionally installed or something. Ooh, I'm liking this. Check that out.
Did I put these in his mouth?
Yeah, Daddy did put those in his mouth, but you don't put those in your mouth, okay? She probably learned the microwaving shoes from you.
Oh, come on now. If she learned anything about cooking, it's from you. Can you pass me 3 of those, honey?
Uh-huh.
That's a measuring tape, darling. I said my helper who passes me screws.
Blue.
Oh, that's not a screw, the black ones. How many is that?
3.
There's a little magnetic thing. Yep, that's better than the mouth and the hand. I mean, for certain things. Are they level?
There we go.
How many of them are there?
There's 10 of the silver ones and 8 of the brown ones. Trying to do rhinos with babies is not easy.
It's fine. I got the door. I got more headphones for you. Okay. Over, under, under.
Oh, actually, I didn't do it that way. I put the cable through here.
That's not how you do it.
Well, I didn't know. At least it won't fall off. I can do it properly now, too.
We'll make this a PSA. This is how you use a Velcro tie. You take one part of the wire, you run it through, then you secure it to that spot on the wire. That way it doesn't get lost. Perfect every time. Kind of perfect-ish. So the fact that we're 3 short means that your count was off. I thought you were supposed to be good at math. Aren't you our accountant?
One accounting class does not make you an accountant.
The fact that you hold a position called accountant at our company makes you an accountant. It just doesn't make you a good one.
I don't call myself an accountant.
But you're our accountant.
I happen to do accounting. That does not make me an accountant.
I was sure there was a switch in this room on the drawing. Remember when I asked the contractor to figure out if they drywalled over the switch?
Well, I guess they drywalled over the switch because I have no idea where those.
I knew it. See, there's no switch for this light. There's one over there too. They drywalled over a light switch.
The original plan was to actually have it on this wall, which is light purple, with a light right there. So if Linus had actually listened to me and put it where it was supposed to go, maybe it wouldn't look so dark.
Well, we couldn't have put it on that wall. It wasn't gonna fit on that wall with the thing. We went through this. You agreed with me.
No, not really. I just went along with your plan anyway.
Changing the subject entirely. We're done. What do you want me to do? Sorry, watch your head.
We have 2 more.
Oh yeah, we have 2 more decks. So Silverstone sent us, what are these? They're EBO1E and EBO3. This looks like ventilation holes. So I guess this probably shouldn't sit on top of it.
And we should really anchor that shelf to the wall before you put some more stuff on there.
Oh, sure, okay, fine. I think this basically just has to be a storage shelf.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think having everything plugged in here makes any sense if you're gonna have to bring your device over here. Okay, so it's just finishing touches time now. I just need to put this here. Put in a couple drywall anchors. Oh crap, we hit a stud with a drywall anchor. Brilliant. Now we have like a gigantic gaping hole in the wall. Yep, no tilt, perfect. All right, good. So this is pretty much it. Well, personally, I think I am gonna go for the LCD2s because I have never heard these off of a tube amp. And I have already pre-selected the Valhalla 2 tube amp. It's tubular, yo. You can just plug an audio source directly into the amp. Mission accomplished. Well, that's not about how they look, Ed. It's about how they sound, and they sound very good, by the way. I can listen to Taylor Swift if I want to. I'm a strong, independent woman. Okay, so let's get some other people to try it. Come on, Dennis.
Okay, I will do the cats one first. What? Because this is the only one. It looks different.
Oh, this was the kind. Oh, see. This
Oh
was
my god, this is not ready, Linus.
Okay, it's ready-ish. Just. Why did she do it this way, Vaughn?
I can't wait to listen to my.
Okay, just hold on. Just hold on. Has your Katy Perry ever sounded better? Yeah, can you actually try some good headphones though?
This is bad. No. Wait.
So let's let Dennis be the judge. This project, success?
Yeah, I like it.
That's right.
But maybe if we can add more RGB here.
Okay, John, come in.
This isn't a prank, is it?
Try out the headphone wall.
Oh, yes, these, definitely.
Okay.
Isn't this the worst experience ever?
No, don't, okay, why don't you listen first and then decide what you think.
I feel like such a headphone snob right now. It's clear, but that's about the most interesting thing I can say about it. It's clear.
Actually, here, try the DT990s. Have you tried these?
I have 880 250 ohms at my desk.
Try this.
So these are a little bit different. Yeah, these are very engaging. I like them. The other ones I felt like you were almost losing something in the low end, but these ones are a little bit more fun.
Okay, so give me a score on a scale of 1 to 10. Cool project, you plan to use it.
Oh, 11. Absolutely.
Yeah!
Yeah.
That's right,
Yeah,
Ed. Haters gonna hate. Okay, we've got our next test subject.
Do I just choose anything off here?
Choose anything you want.
Oh, what's
It's like Willy Wonka's candy shop, but all they have is headphones and you can't eat them and you don't take them home. These are really fun too.
This is cool.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think of this project? Pretty cool? You'll use it?
Yeah, this is really cool. Woo! As I drop these headphones. 8 out of 10, only because if you go to like Best Buy or Future Shop or whatever, they have it already plugged in, and then you just push the button on which one to change to.
But they don't have a bunch of different sources that you can try out and experiment with.
True-ish, yeah, I guess so. It's good, I like it.
Do you use Amazon? We do. We think they're great. We put links to the Amazon purchase page in the descriptions of almost every video we create. And you can check out where to buy almost anything we feature down there. I mean, not down there, like down there below the video. They also have Amazon Prime, which costs $99 US annually and gives you access to a ton of cool features, like Prime Now, which is free 2-hour delivery or scheduled delivery on over 10,000 items in select areas, as well as Prime Video, which is unlimited streaming of movies and TV episodes. They've got Twitch Prime included now, which gives you exclusive discounts on physical games and new releases, and, of course, the classic free 2-day or same-day delivery to specific zip codes, and more. So check it out at the link in the video description. So there you have it. People like the project! Woo! Woo! If you guys dislike this video, you can hit that dislike button. But if you liked it, hit the like button, get subscribed, and maybe check out where to buy the stuff we featured at the link in the video description. A huge shout out to Silverstone for actually producing this headphone holder that allowed us to make this whole project possible. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. I'm a little biased, so I'll let you guys be the judge. And a huge shout out to Shit Audio for providing us with all of their shitty amps and DACs for everybody to listen to on their lunch breaks or after hours or whatever. I guess that's pretty much it. Get subscribed.